This custom-built home with a stunning garden atrium is beautifully designed and offers convenient one-level living. Centrally located, it has easy access to Cruise Way, downtown Lake Oswego, Tigard, and Portland. The long private driveway leads to this unique ranch-style home where no detail was overlooked. French doors open to the one-of-a-kind atrium, a perfectly landscaped centerpiece. Discover soaring beam ceilings, a floor-to-ceiling stone fireplace, and walls of windows. From the dining area, head out to one of the 3 decks. The atrium offers access to multiple spaces, including the family room with a wood-burning fireplace. And you'll love the 5-zone hydronic floor heat plus central AC. The huge kitchen is made for entertaining with gorgeous granite, custom cabinetry, a 6-burner gas cooktop, and a large pantry. Sliding doors open to an oversized bonus room. You'll find 4 bedrooms, including a private guest suite, in this home of nearly 3,300 square feet. The vaulted master suite is a romantic retreat with a gas fireplace and its own private deck. Relax in the elegant bath with a jetted tub and a walk-in shower. Just down the hall, you'll find 2 more large bedrooms. And a full bath. You'll find a 3rd entrance to your tranquil atrium where you can forget the stresses of the day. Other features include a large shop and a 3-car oversized garage. This partially finished room above the garage has unlimited potential. There's also RV or boat parking and plenty of room for all of your toys. A wonderfully unique ranch-style home with top-of-the-line features throughout. It's all here ready for you to call home. To schedule your own personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582 or email steve@nassarteam.com. For financing options, please contact Carrie Benshoff with Director's Mortgage.